In this session, we shall cover how to run JavaScript from Selenium. But first, we shall create a folder to host all the files that we shall create throughout the course. We shall transfer the files we have so far to their new destination. And we can launch the WebDriver_test file. Note that in order to use JavaScript code, we shall make use of Selenium's execute_script method. Then we shall pass the JavaScript code to the method within the opening and closing speech marks or quotes. On this instance, we are using JavaScript's scroll_to method to scroll our browser 200 pixels on the y-axis, but on the x-axis we will use a value of 0, denoting that the browser will only scroll downwards and not sideways. The Windows dot denotes a window object. A window object represents a browser's window. We shall remove the initial sleep time of 10 seconds and replace it with 2 seconds. Then after scrolling and sleeping for 2 seconds, the browser will scroll back up 200 pixels. To scroll upwards, we prepend a negative sign against the 200, denoting the counter direction. And we shall have the code freeze for 2 more seconds before quitting. When we run our code, we get the desired outcome, then the browser quits. Next, we shall test a simple code that shows a hello world prompt on the browser window. So within the string denoting the JavaScript code, we erase everything. Then we use the alert function, which will invoke the browser's pop-up box, and within the box, we shall have the text hello world. We can increase the sleep time to 4 seconds. Next, we will have Selenium change the background of the body element from dark blue that we have to red. For that, we will use the document property, which represents any web page loaded in the browser and serves as an entry point into the web page's content. Now, body is a direct reference to the body element of our website and contains all the properties and methods of the body tag. Example, the body attribute can possess a style attribute or property, which in this instance will assign its background property a value of red. And we shall delay the code execution for 2 more seconds. And the background changes right after the 2 seconds elapse. Next, we shall look at how to zoom out the body element to 75% of its original size. So for the body element, we shall assign the zoom property of the style attribute the value of 0.75, which will zoom the body out to 0.75 of its original load size or 3/4 of its original load size. Then we will save and run the code. And the browser loading finishes. Now everything looks of right proportions and the whole of our website can fit onto the screen.